And now let's introduce the concept of conditional probability. Okay, what does that mean? Let's say we have an event A and an event B. The probability of A knowing that B happened, so A given B, is, this line by the way means given, so that's just basically the same thing, is going to be equal to the probability of A and B over the probability of B. So let's illustrate that with an example. Let's just do a simple example to get started. What is the probability of getting a queen given that we selected a face card from a deck of 52 cards, of course? So I'm just going to copy down the formula just like this. So PQ given F will be PQ and F over the probability of F. So this is basically asking, okay, so let's pretend that I just picked a card, right, from the standard deck of 52 cards, and then I told you, okay, the card that I selected is a face card. So given a face card. Now what is the probability then that that card is a queen? So that's what this is really asking, right? So I'm pretending that, of course, I'm not showing you the card, but I'm just guaranteeing that it is a face card. Well, okay, so what is the probability of getting a queen and a face card? Well, if it's a queen and a face card, it's just a queen. And there are 4 queens out of 52 cards. So the probability of getting a queen and a face card, 4 out of 52. Okay, now what is the probability of obtaining just a face card? Well, there are 12 face cards out of 52 cards, total cards on the deck. And now we can simplify this. 4 out of 52 divided by 12 out of 52 is equivalent to 4 out of 52 times 52 over 12. So you can just flip the bottom fraction. These cancel out. You get 4 out of, I don't know where the 3 came from, 4 out of 12, because these cancel out. They become 1. 4 times 1, 4. 1 times 12, 12. And 4 out of 12 can be simplified into 1/3. So basically, given that I have a face card, there's a third chance, or 33.33 repeater percent chance that I got a queen. Okay, so this was a pretty easy example. I'm gonna just do another example though. Let's say that I have now I'm gonna say that given that I have a spade, what is the probability that I have a face card? Same thing. Standard deck of 52 cards without jokers. I removed the jokers. So we're going to need the probability of face card and a spade over the probability of just a spade. So how many spades that are face cards? Did that question make sense? I'll just reword it. How many face cards are spades? Or spades that are face cards? Well, there's the king of spades, the jack of spades, and the queen of spades. So 3 out of 52 cards in total in the deck. Over the probability of getting a spade, just 13 out of 52. Because there are 13 spades. So now if we simplify this, we can just flip the bottom fraction. 52's cancel out. And I get 3 out of 13. And that will represent the probability of obtaining a face card given that the card that I chose was a spade by drawing just one card. That's it. So now I suggest that you scroll down, try some questions, click on the ones that you want an explanation for because they're all linked to videos. And good luck.